Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Julie with Bookshelf by Julie. Today we're doing Friday Freebies 66 and it's beautiful. I think it is anyways. Hope you guys like it. It's a trifold folio. Again, I know I'm in a rut, but they're just pretty. And we've got all this prettiness to go in it. So isn't that adorable? And we've got 3 mice paper dolls. It's adorable. For sure. Okay, so what I did with it is, of course, I'm going to make, paperclip paper dolls. And I love it when they're peeking out, don't you? It's just cute. Okay, so I've got my trifold in here, my journal cards and tags in there, and it just folds up. There you go. Super simple and easy. It's fun. It's cute as a button. It'll stand up by itself. All the things, right? Okay, so you just simply cut out your piece, fold it up to the line, straight-ish, right? Straight-ish. Give it a good crease. Give it a good crease. Then, since I want this to be my front, I'm going to go ahead and fold this over to, there's a sort of a demarcation line there a little bit somewhere that you can kind of see-ish. Yeah. So you fold this one over first so that you can see where to fold the other one too. Yeah. So, since I'm going to put trim on mine, I want to give myself a little bit of room in there. See, there's a fold, and you give yourself 1/4 of an inch-ish, right? And fold that down. Super simple and easy. These make really great things to stick in a pocket in a journal, or a Happy Mail, or whatever you want to make them as. But since I'm going to be gluing this down on the sides, not in the middle, but I'm going to go ahead and ink this just a little bit on the edges. I'm not going to put trim in here, but this, well, the top part of it anyways, or the bottom, or however you want to look at that, this will kind of show. This probably get trimmed off, or it can get done later. Okay, so, and there's a lot of things you can do to embellish this. There's lots of Friday freebies and things you can put on here to, embellish and, make things prettier. Whatever you want to do with that, right? Okay, put that away. We've got in here and over there. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to glue this down. I'm gonna kind of eyeball it here and glue it to here, just in case I have to trim some of that off. Then you won't be cutting off what you glued on. Does that make sense? Because as you fold it over, you want to make sure, that you're going to have all that you need there. And there's just a little tiny bit that I'll be trimming off. Just a tiny bit. But if you put your glue on here, you might be overlapping just that tiny bit. But if you put it here, it's going to glue to whatever's there, right? Okay, like so. And like so. Just that little bit there. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and trim that while I'm thinking about it, because if I don't, I'll not think about it. Okay, just the tiniest little bit. I mean, really, it's like a little hair or something, right? So, yeah. All right. And again, over here, you have to turn it to the other side so you can see it. You just get that just teeniest little bit right there. Okay, now I'm going to give this a roll because, yeah, it needs a little bit of a something something. Give it some pressure. Now, there. That's ready for things to go in it, but I want to put the trim around and, you know, make it all pretty and stuff. So let's do that. Where is the trim? Let me see if I've got some over here. I don't know. I've got something. I've got some bits and pieces. I don't think that's enough. Oh, I've got some over here. Never mind. I've got some over here. I thought I was going to have to go get some in yonder. But I've got some. So I'm going to start on the bottom back and put the trim on. Now, if you don't want to do this, you just definitely don't have to. It's not a necessity. It's just pretty. It is. It's pretty. So I'm just going to start back here because it's going to be the least looked at part. Does that make sense? Well, I don't know. It's pretty. That's a pretty umbrella. So anyways, yeah, I hope you guys are having a lot of fun with your Friday freebies and doing all the things and having fun with them. These are, I don't know, this might be our last Mouse Village. You know what I think it is? Our last Mouse Village Friday freebie for this go around with the mice anyways. You know they'll be back. I mean, you just know they will because it's me and they'll be back. So, but yeah, we're going to be moving on to another group of Friday freebies soon, and that's going to be cool too. We will miss the mice for a little while, but they will, you know, like I said, be back. But we've got nature time starting real soon, and that is going to be so much fun, guys. It really is. We've got nature time paper dolls. Yes, it's going to be coming out real soon, and I'm hoping you guys are going to love it. I do. I've had so much fun getting it ready, designing it, and I've been cutting out stuff. And you know how it is when you get a new journal kit. You gotta cut things out and do stuff. And anyways, that's what I've been doing. That. Getting ready to launch, you know. But yeah, this is our last one for the mice. Oh wow, that's something, huh? It snuck up on me like a little mouse. They'll be back though. Like I said, there's so much more to explore with the mice. Yep, and stay in shot as best as I can. Okay. Here we go. Oops, that went way down off of where I wanted it to be. Again, I know you've heard me say it. I miss Cosmic Shimmer. I mean, it could slide too, just not as much as this. And I'm not dissing this glue. It's really good glue. It holds incredibly well. It just takes longer to grab, and that's not always a bad thing. I mean, you know, you've got sometimes Cosmic Shimmer would grab so fast too, you go whoops, you know. But Barely Arts, you know, it's good. It's just it just takes a little longer. Now, I'm still trying to get used to that, I guess, because I got so used to using the Cosmic Shimmer. Now, Art Glitter Glue is good too. It's just more expensive right now where I am. It may not be where you are, but where I am it is. And it's still hard to get. So we work with what we work with, right? Okay, Sarah. I don't speak French, but I can translate. I can use Google Translator. It makes me think of, what's her name? Doris Day. Yeah, you remember the song? I don't want to get a copyright infringement or anything, but I loved that song. It was pretty, you know. You guys will have to let me know if you've ever heard of it. Maybe you've never heard of Doris Day. It was an old movie she was in. Yep. Yeah. I'm thinking about, I've got another, now when we go, I gotta finish a sentence here. I've got too many things going on in my brain, and then, you know, when you try to get them out coherently, they get a little bit, anyways. Okay. So I've got Nature Time Fun coming out, right? And let me put these in here as I'm yammering on. Also, I've got another kit that I'm working on now that'll launch after Nature Time. And let me see. I did not ink these, but they're just fold-uppers. So the other kit that I'm working on now that I've got Nature Time ready to launch is going to be lighthouse themed. And I did not fold that straight. Come on now. And it's gonna, to me, a lighthouse has always been, I don't know, symbolic and functional at the same time, right? Okay, so after that, the mice might have to come back again. I'm just saying. We'll see how things evolve. But yeah. Okay, we've got our little tags. I'll link those eventually. And we've got this. Okay. And I had these guys peeking out, like, you know, put them on there and have them just sort of peeking out. And this guy put in here, and he's just peeking out, you know. And then she's our closure. How did I have her in there? I think I have to move her down further, maybe, and then have her in the middle. I don't know. Maybe I did it the other way around. I don't know. But she's our closure. She's the anchor mouse, okay? I don't know. You guys will have to remember back to when I started this video, which was so long ago now. I'm just kidding. But yeah, we might have to revisit the mice after we do the lighthouse. But we got to do the lighthouse. Well, we got to do Nature Time, because that's going to be so fun. It really is. I've got plans and things. Okay, there we are. We've got these ready. Adorable. We've got a 2-page freebie set. And, oh yeah, they're available on the website, the Ko-Fi page site, and the Facebook group page, okay? So, go get them there. The only thing you have to do is the Facebook group page, you do have to join that because it's a private page, because I'm kind of funny about wanting to keep things, you know, safe. Yeah. So, make you something pretty today. It's super cute. And it's the last of our mice for a while, so have fun with it. They're adorable. You guys take care. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. TTFN.